How's everyone doing? This is one of our latest lean projects. Basically, it's two vices in the milling machine, which is pretty beneficial and pretty spectacular for a CNC piece of equipment. Basically, a CNC piece of equipment has a computer controller which moves the cutting head around the insert, around the blank to be formed into a part. So the best thing to do, rather than just do one of them at a time, is to do two of them at a time. I know it sounds kind of ridiculous, but most machine shops will do one of these at a time, especially if we can fit two in there, or four. We've got times when we can put four in there. Obviously that's four times the, not exactly, but it's almost four times the productivity. So the old school method of making these parts with this manual system would be one part at a time. So here's your vise, here's the cutting head, you'd move everything around and slowly you'd get a part out of the machine. In this case, you can basically put two parts of the machine, hit the go button and walk away, obviously creating a lot more parts. As can be seen over my shoulder sitting there on the bench, we're working on some plastic parts. So we're not exactly dropping chips, but we are dropping pieces of plastic all over the back of the machine. This has been a great little machine for us. It does real wonders. And yeah, we look forward to working with it.